Look, there are three things that if you're doing on your phone, then you're basically ruining your Android's performance with your own hands. And you keep complaining about battery drain and lag while you're the reason. I'll explain each mistake in less than 2 minutes, so your phone becomes 10 times faster. 1. The force stop mistake, and it destroys your battery without you noticing. It happens by long pressing the app, choosing the exclamation mark icon, and then selecting force stop. What most people don't understand is every time you force stop apps, you're not saving battery and you're not speeding up your phone. No, you're actually draining the battery faster. Why? Because any app you forcefully close, once you open it again, it reloads everything from scratch. Files, cache, settings, data. And that consumes way more power than letting it run quietly in the background. So instead of helping your phone you're making it work extra for no reason. The correct solution, leave the apps you use often running normally in the background. Only use force stop in one case. If the app freezes or crashes, other than that, leave it alone. It barely consumes anything. 2. Closing the RAM and cleaning it constantly. The biggest mistake that destroys speed. In Samsung and most phones, you'll find settings, battery and device care, memory, and you'll see a button, Clean Now. This button closes apps and removes them from the RAM, or through external apps, which are the worst method, like RAM Booster, Phone Cleaner, Speed Boost. A lot of people think clearing RAM and emptying it makes the phone faster. But the truth is the complete opposite. RAM is not made to be emptied. Android is designed to fill it all the time, so it can launch apps faster without reloading everything again. So when you wipe the RAM or close apps, you're forcing the phone to work harder and reload programs from scratch, which slows the device instead of speeding it up. The solution? Leave the RAM alone. Don't close it, and don't empty it every few minutes. Let Android manage resources by itself. That's the correct way it was designed to work. And you can exclude certain apps from RAM if you truly don't need them. 3. Using battery saver or power saving all day long. The disaster most people don't know? Using battery saver or power saving all day long slows the phone, kills performance, and doesn't save battery the way people think. This mode is made for emergencies, not daily use. The solution? Turn it on only when the battery is low, or when you're outside and don't have a charger. Other than that, let the phone run normally. The battery will last longer. If your phone's battery keeps dropping or the device keeps lagging, stopping these 3 mistakes today will literally make you feel like you bought a new phone. Tell me in the comments how many of these mistakes you were doing. And don't forget to subscribe because what's coming is much stronger.